What's up guys, Gold Ribbons here, and today we're in Tamborine and we're going to be doing a skywalk through the rainforests. Alright, let's get into it. So this rainforest walk is built high up in the treetops. Pretty cool. So way below all those trees I can hear like a waterfall and a river down there, but we're too high to see it. Alright, so we've finished the main skywalk. Now we're heading to the creek lookout. Bit of a walk, but we'll get there. How cool is this tree, guys? So that's a giant straggler fig tree. What happens is there's a host tree that grows right up in the sky, and then like whether it's a bird, a possum, flying fox, something like that, something will eat the fig fruit and the seed passes through their stomach, and then when they take a shit in the tree, it grows from the top and then it slowly grows down the side of the tree, taking over the hostess tree so that it no longer has any sunlight and dies, leaving the inside of this tree completely hollowed out. And then the fig tree completely takes over. That's pretty cool, right? Alright, so we're heading to the lookout. From here we should be able to look out over a bit of a waterfall and see like the creek, the water stream.
Wow. Look at the palm tree. Oh, there's one.
Alright, so now we're going to head out to the cantilever. This is meant to hang 40 metres up in the air over the rainforest and the waterfall, everything like that. Yeah, we're high. Alright, so this structure is really like, I don't know if the camera's picking up on that, but this is moving a lot. Like, a lot. Alright, that's enough of that. Family of like 12 people just came out there and that thing was shaking a bit too much for my liking. Shows a bit of heritage of the logging and that used to happen in the area. How they used to have horses pull the trees out of the forest. Some of the giant trees that they've knocked down.
Spiral.
So we're walking around the lower levels now. When we done the sky deck, the first skywalk, that was along the top there. Alright, so that's it for another video, guys. We've had a bit of a walk, we've seen the rivers, seen the waterfalls. Alright, see you in the next video.